Today's natto dish is natto with raw egg and leek. This is how we're going to start. Natto Master, we're going to use the 2 packs of natto. And she's using a raw egg, as you can see, the one of them. And on the top is the frozen leek in the back. Take up the wrap. Just finish taking out 2 wrap on each package. And it looks like she's not gonna stir in the package. And pour into the first one and pour into. Okay, so after putting in the first one, she started the stirring. That's interesting. I am the right hand side. I'm stir from right to left. Her case is opposite, like from left to right. So maybe this is some kind of secret in behind to become a Natto Masters. The cracked egg, pour into it. This is I think this is the brown type of raw egg. You see when you look at the yellow portion, it's much brighter. So the good egg has much brighter. It has a strong taste too, rather than regular egg. If you use this type of egg, you enhance the taste of the egg. Okay, so after pouring in the raw egg and the sauce, natto sauce, this is like already chop out the regular leek. This is not the pre-made leek. She sliced it up all the way and froze it. And she's gonna start stirring. Maybe this is another kind of a technique. Putting in raw egg and leek. What I can do is only maybe less than 10 stirring. This is probably require the skill of stirring to become a Natto Master. Or maybe we're close to the finish. This is the final product for today. Yummy!